A square is a special rectangle. It has all the properties of a rectangle. The opposite sides are congruent. The opposite sides are parallel. The opposite angles are congruent. And the diagonals are congruent. The two properties that make a square special is that all four sides are congruent, which you probably already knew, and the diagonals intersect at a right angle. So the angle where the diagonals intersect is a right angle. Now, let's add algebra to this. If angle x, y, z is 3x plus 9, what does x equal? Well, xyz is a right angle, so 3x plus 9 equals 90. Do algebra and you will get x equals 27. Now the same picture. If YW equals 15, what is the value of YZ? So YW is 15, and you need to know YZ. This is tricky because you need to see that the triangle in the square is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So if I redraw it, remember that from last unit, my hypotenuse is 15. If I do my algebra, I would have to divide by the square root of 2, and I get 15 square root of 2 over 2. Let's try one more with the same picture. Okay. So we're going to leave that picture there, I guess. Let's let WT is 5. Find ZX. So if WT is 5, then ZX will be 5 plus 5, which is 10. How about XY? that is a little trickier. If WT is 5, then both YT and TZ are 5, and so is XT, so they're all 5. And if you look here, this is a little triangle. That's a 45-45 triangle, and you know this is 5 and this is 5, which means the hypotenuse, because this has to be a 90, the hypotenuse would be 5 square root of 2, or about 7.1 if you're going to be using Canvas. Try the practice on Canvas.